just got this portable air compressor, and it's a game changer. No more searching for a gas station with a working air pump. This little powerhouse fits right in my trunk and inflates my tires in minutes. It's got a built-in pressure gauge, so I can easily monitor the PSI. Plus, it's not just for tires. I can use it for sports equipment and even inflatable pools. The best part? It's super quiet compared to those noisy gas station pumps. Seriously, if you're on the go or just want peace of mind, this tire inflator is a must-have.